Okay, so we are going to start our today's activity, and I am welcoming you all with uh, my bottom of heart. So it's uh, it's Thursday today. So according to the schedule, it would be personal interview. But as I told you earlier, we are going to debate to each other, debate with each other. So firstly, I'll tell you that what is debate. So debate is nothing than it is more formal way of communicating, and debate is a method of interactive and representational argument. It's an argument. One person would be telling in affirmative point and another person would be telling in negative point. Okay. So it's all about two sides of one coin. So debate is a series of lectures or against on given a topic by knowledgeable persons. Okay, so you all are knowledgeable. So you will talk. One person will talk about in the favor of that topic, and another will talk about the against of that topic. And the rule, there are some certain rules that are or that should be followed. So a debate has two terms, like two terms or two teams. One is in affirmative and another is negative. Each side consists of three speakers. So we have talked about all the things in earlier video. We are not going to deep into dwell into. Now I'm going to give a diagrammatic look how debate looks like. A debate is set up as shown in the diagram. So one team would be talking about in affirmative, like one team would be in affirmative point, and second is negative team. This is the speaker area where you will put your answer, your uh, point, and this is the audience zone, and one would be speaker and chairman. Okay, so yes, this is the diagrammatic representation. There are some purpose of debate, like topics of controversial nature are dealt with. So we will talk about controversial topic. Okay, not easy one. So when the group needs to be exposed to pros and cons of the topics or decision. When the participants have the capacity to present their side in a meaningful and interesting manner, and there is a favorable atmosphere in the group to accept ideas presented by logical argument of the participant. So you all will talk about with a fact, not fiction. Okay, you have to give your fact. So these are the topics we will be covering it. I have added 3 slides. Okay, so one by one we will cover this topic and we'll talk about it. So first, today we will cover 1, 2, 3, 4 topic, and next day on same schedule we will talk another 4. So here are, including me, 7 members. So firstly, I am going to give this chance Subham and Binu. They will be argumenting or debating with this topic. Okay, and we will listen carefully. And this couple has 3 minutes. And after then you can add furtherly. Okay, but right now every couple has 3 minutes only. So let's start. Subham and Binu. This all people should have the right to own guns. So this is the topic for you, and we will talk about all the topic. We will talk and we will give our opinion, and we will debate with every topic one by one. Go ahead, Subham and Binu. And please strive to turn on your camera while speaking.
Christian, can you introduce again the topic?
The topic, are you able to see this slide? Social and political issues,
Yes.
debate of. Okay, so
Yes.
I
Now
have given this first topic. Yes, all people should have the right to own gun. Okay, so you,
okay.
Binu, you would be in the favor of this. Like yes, every people, they can be in the risk. So for their self defense, they can own the gun. And Subham, you will be in the negative point. You will be talking about in the negative point of this, that yes, they will be, if they will be having this gun, owning this gun, so they can murder, they can kill the person. So yes, like this you can go ahead. Shubham and Binu.
Okay. So Shubham, would you like to speak first, or do I need to speak?
Binu, you go first. I'll follow.
Okay. Okay. So all people should have the right to own guns. Yes, they should have. If they have their own guns, they can protect themselves. You know, whenever they get any kind of uh, situation like in Delhi, riots was happening there, and on that time, people, people were killing. There was, I think, Muslim and Hindu. This kind of riots was happening. But my own teacher, I got, he was on that time this much scared that he bought his own gun. It was illegal, but on that time there was no option because in his street near to his neighbor, people killed him. So because of scariness, he bought gun, and he also was injured by the gun. So in that situation, if he would have gun, so he would have used that one. So I don't think that it is illegal. Legally, everyone should have, and yes, people should not use without any, but yes, they should have for their protection. Yes, Shubham, now you can add your point. Hello, people, did you listen me?
Yes, yes, we are all ears to you.
Okay.
Shubham, are you listening to her?
Yes, yes, I'm listening to her.
Yes, please put your point.
Okay. Okay. So thank you so much, Binu, for giving your genuine points in this regard. And I genuinely respect your perspective. But in my point of view, gun is something that only an authorized personnel should be having. And if each and every one of human being existing on the planet are provided with guns, a lot of riots would be seen, and I think they should not be. It should not happen, and only few peoples are authorized, and this is the reason why each and every human being doesn't have the right or doesn't have that sort of authorization that they can have the gun. Only selected people in our society can have guns. Just in case, it is also that they have this gun because they are on duty. Off duty, even they are not allowed to have them to have the guns for themselves, to carrying out their own personal requirements. Even if there is a riot, even that can be handled by consolation, by talking. But riot is something that even for personal defense, I would not recommend someone. It is definitely not recommended to have gun. If you are having it illegally, you know that it is an offense and one can't have it. So I generally disagree with this, that each and everyone should not have, but some of the people, as you know, who are authorized can have it. Otherwise, it is absolutely illegal. And if people are going to have it, then it will create a major setback for the society, because a number of crime would be popping up then if people are given this right that yeah, you can have the gun, you can keep it for self defense, but you know that people would be coming up, and would another issues would be arising because of this thing, that people are, if they are allowed to keep the guns. So this is what I think is from my side.
Okay,
Okay, but Shivam,
Binu, 1 minute. Binu and Shubham,
yes,
your 3 minutes is up. So wait for second chance. So now I'm going to select second couple. That would be Dheeraj and Abhinav. I'm not able to see your name. What is his name? Abhinav. Can someone pronounce it?
Yes.
Okay, Abhinav.
Yes, he is Abhinav.
Okay,
Yeah,
Abhinav.
Abhinav.
Yes, Abhinav. Because I was not able to see your name on the screen. So yes, Abhinav and Dheeraj.